All right, today we're going to be learning lattice multiplication. In front of you, you have a rectangular box with lines on it. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to use that. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the old way of doing it. We're going to do 28 times 14. Okay, so what is 8 times 4?
32.
32, that is right. Carry my 3, right? 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. All right, now, what's my next step? I'm going to the tens place, so I have to add a 0. 1 times 8 is
8.
And 1 times 2 is
2.
What do I do next?
Add.
So that's going to give me 2, 9, 3. Okay, so now, keep in mind that's our answer for this problem. Okay, we're going to go and do it in the lattice multiplication, 28 and 14. Okay, so on top, we're going to write, when you do a multiplication problem, it's 28 and 14 times 28. You want to put the first one in on the top, the second one down the side. So it's going to be 14. You put your 1 over the top of this one and your 4 over the top of this one. And then your 28 down the side. All right, everybody there? All right, first step. We're going to say 1 times 2 is 2. So the 0 goes here, and a 2 goes there. You have to put a number, a 0, in the 1's place. You always have to put 1 in there. Okay, the next one. 1 times 8 is 8. And you put it right directly under. Okay, so now what is 4 times 2? 6. 6?
Yeah.
4 times 2?
8.
8. And 4 times 8 is 32. Alright, so everybody get with me on this. Alright? So now, all we have to do is add down the lines. Okay? So now, 0 plus 2 is, so now we're going from this way. 0 and 2, 0. That gives us 2, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, 8 and 3 is what? 11. And 8 is 8, 3, and 11. 11. So 8, 3 is 11, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to be 11 plus 8.
19.
So get 9 and 1. So that's 19, right? So now, when we do this and we come down here, we're going to have to carry our 1 up here. Okay? So that's going to be a 9 here. And you'll have to take your 1 up here. So that's no longer 2, it's 3, correct? So that is no longer 2, it's now 3. Let's just miss that. Okay, so it's plus 1. The next one is just 2, correct? So what was our answer to the other problem? 392, correct?
Yeah. 392.
So that is exactly the same. Do you see how we do this?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to kind of introduction this to you. Now we're going to watch a short little video, and it's going to also show you some new ways and steps. I just want y'all to follow along. You can take what you have here, you can erase your grid, and you can follow along on it, and just do it step by step. Okay? So let's clear this off.
It's a long video.
No, it's not long.
You sure? Sure.
follow through, okay?
Today we're going to learn a new and fun way for solving multiplication problems. There are a lot of ways to solve math problems. Today we're going to learn a new and fun way to multiply. The new way is called lattice multiplication. This sheet shows how to draw rectangles for completing a multiplication problem using the lattice method. Notice that the top drawing contains 2 rectangles on the top and 2 rectangles on the side. This would be used to complete a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. Now notice that the bottom drawing contains 3 rectangles on the top and 2 rectangles on the side. This would be used to complete a 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. Okay, let's do one. 14 times 56. First write the number across the top and the second number down the side. First you want to multiply 1 times 5, then write the answer on the top under the 1. Notice that you must put a 0 since the answer is only 1 digit. Then you will multiply 4 times 5. Then write the answer on the top under the 4. Next, you want to multiply 1 times 6. Then write the answer on the bottom under the 1. The last one, you will multiply 4 times 6. Then write the answer on the bottom under the 4. Now just add down the diagonal stripes. Start at the bottom and work your way up the stripes. The first diagonal is 4, so write 4. The second diagonal is 0 plus 2 plus 6 equals 8, so write 8. The third diagonal is 2 plus 5 plus 0 equals 7, so write 7. The last diagonal is 0, so write 0. We get your answer by reading down the left side and across the bottom. You will just ignore the first 0, so our answer is 784. Here is the anchor chart for you to use as a reference when
You guys
solving
kind
your
of understand
multiplication
what we're doing
problem
with this?
using the lattice.
Alright, so what is the difference between this and regular multiplication? Do you mind that?
Regular multiplication,
Regular multiplication, you have to do all the lining up, right, and then you have to carry your number up. So this is something that you can take with you, and also I can print something out for you guys that you can look at in this classroom. From now on, we're going to be starting to work with these, as an alternate multiplication, an alternate way to manipulate multiplication. So you'll be seeing this more in this classroom from now on, and hopefully it'll help you guys. Yeah, does anybody have any questions? Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, we'll do some more on Monday, okay? I'd like to thank everyone for coming and have a wonderful day.
Good luck.